I stay up and think of you. When I wish I
Sa ulo
was
niya na, sa pipindutin eh.
somewhere you are, thinking of me too.
Sira.
As I'm dreaming of you tonight till
Ako lang ang backup mo.
Mami Dons. Galit ang manager.
I'll be holding you tight. If there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Wonder if you ever see. And I wonder if you know I'm dead. If you look in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you
May
believe
naka-video ko
it? I just wanna hold you close. So far, all I have are dreams of you. I wait for the day and the courage to say how
Ano yung
much
anong
I
riddle niya?
love you.
Except ka, di ba? Ikaw, ito yung riddle. Ano ikan?
Tonight till tomorrow, I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me.
Kailangan ko ng energy.
Ayun mo doon, Jimmy.
Ito, pinasa niyo sa akin. Yung ba yun? Go.
At night when all
Ang sweet.
sleeping, I stay up and
Tumubo na ilong naman na ang boses niya.
Alam mo, ang yabang mo talaga.
still can't believe
Ay, hindi. Pag
came
tumubo,
up to me and said,
ang labas.
I love you.
Patilis lang. Mas pupula na.
Pagpula lang din.
Now I'm dreaming with you tonight till tomorrow. And for all of my
Thousand lang yun.
and there's nowhere in this world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming with you endlessly.
Uy!
Uy,
Uy, oh. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Naku, pulutin niya. Bawal
Ano yun?
Asin yan.
Oo.
Dila mo, Paps. Dila mo. Ikaw, anong Little Miss Philippines ka 1984? Ano ba?
Bakit ako? Alam mo ko na 1984. Ay, kapalan mo.
Anong Little Miss Philippines?
1999.
Sumali ka? Sumali ka talaga?
Hindi, aga mo ka.
Ay, sumali daw siya sa isang disqualified overweight.
May payagat ako ng bata ako.
Patigil.
Ano ka talaga?
Hindi na disqualify, may weight loss eh.
Walang ganun sa Little Miss Philippines.
May weight.
Mas mataba ka, mas fit eh.
Ano mo ako matuyabang
Yung kaya nanalo ko.
Ikaw nga, hindi ka mali. Vision na, umurong ka pa eh.
Takot ako.
Sumali sa Little